Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases today we will discuss a case which is unique, and this case is based on section 138 of the Income Tax Act 1961. Section 138 talks about disclosure of information respecting assessees. Broadly, this section says that a person can seek information from the income tax department which is in the larger public interest. The issue before the Honorable Telangana High Court in the present case was that if some petitioner seeks any information regarding the action taken by the income tax department for his tax evasion petition against his father-in-law and want to use that information in the proceedings under section 498A of the Indian Penal Code instituted by his ex-wife, so whether that information can be provided to the petitioner. This issue has been taken up by Honorable Telangana High Court in the case of Nuti Vasista versus Union of India and others, and this case is reported in 484 ITR at page number 791. This case is decided on 23rd July 2025. In the present case, there was a dispute, there was a marital dispute in fact, and the petitioner's wife filed a complaint under section 498A of the Indian Penal Code 1860, in which there was an allegation that some marriage expenses has been done to the tune of rupees 1.4 crore, some gold has been given to the tune of 1.5 kilogram, and some silver of the amount or the quantity of 15 kg has been given in the marriage. The marriage didn't succeed, and the petitioner filed a RTI according to the RTI Act 2005, and some information was provided to the petitioner. By using that information, the petitioner filed a tax evasion petition against his father-in-law, and when this tax evasion petition was filed by the petitioner to the principal director, the principal director rejected that application because according to the principal director, that application was seeking the information regarding the action taken by the income tax department on that tax evasion petition. Basically, the petitioner was seeking the information regarding the action taken by the department on the tax evasion petition, what notices have been sent, what replies have been received by the income tax department, and what orders have been passed by the income tax department. The principal director who received this application found that the information sought by the petitioner does not come into the definition of public information or of the public interest. So he rejected the application on the ground that the petitioner want to use this information as an evidence in a proceeding under section 498A of the Indian Penal Code instituted by his ex-wife. The petitioner filed a writ petition in the Telangana High Court that this information should be provided against the rejection order of the principal director under section 138 subsection 1 clause B. When the court heard the matter, the court said that already some information has been provided to the assessee by the CPIO in the RTI application, and in the present case, the order passed by the principal director do not suffer from any application of lack of mind. The court said that in the present case, the information sought by the petitioner does not come into the definition of larger public interest, so that information cannot be provided because the petitioner want to use that information as an evidence in a proceeding under section 498A of the Indian Penal Code instituted by his ex-wife. Friends, this case is very clear and throws the light on the concept that under section 138 one can seek the information which is relevant for the larger public interest, and even for the RTI purposes also the information can be sought relating to the assessee who is making the application. He can ask his information, but an but an assessee or a person cannot ask the information under the Right to Information Act for his wife, for his son, or some other assessee. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Nuti Vasistha versus Union of India and others, and this case is reported in 484 ITR at page number 791, and the date of the judgment is 23rd July 2025, and the matter has been decided by Telangana High Court. Thank you, friends.